Hi there, once again on Google Cloud. Today we're going to deploy to Kubernetes engine. I just have cloned a REPL. Here I have a bucket, whatever. Now we're going to have to be creating a Docker file. So let's go here. Now this is I cloned ls cd valkyrie app and my Docker file. Let's build it. This image. This case, I'm going to be changing the name. This is not going to container registry right now. Go. Okay, the image exists, perfect. So step 2, no running container. Okay. So right here I'm going to create a tag. So let's go to where I have the Docker file. Here. Docker tag. We create that. So I could build. I'm tagging this as this. I could do like Docker, what I did before. I could do these, but it's not necessary. Oh shit. Space dot. Okay, recreate the Docker image. I was just tagging this as this image. Okay. Now you can push. This is the image that goes to container registry. It has to have this prefix. Our deployments, I have to replace things here. So the services extremely simple. This is my deployment. Image pull pulse always. Alright, image here, this must be replaced. Alright. Sad, I replaced that image. Okay, perfect. Now I want to get credentials of it. Can run kubectl commands. Oh, I have already one of. Let's create a deployment. Workload services. This is quite different way to handle the things. Like we're gonna compare with this one here. Didn't connect. There's a problem as refusing. I just would like to present Kubernetes native stuff. Let me retry. He's refusing. problem on the proxy stuff. I gotta check that later. That's not part of the lab, but alright. So right here, I want to deploy two things. I want those two YAMLs. Okay. Load balancer, session feed none. Okay. Oh, so first I do the deployment, and now I do the servicing. Okay. Yeah. Refresh. Okay. Create my dev. Okay. Let's merge my files. I have the HTML go. I'm going to edit the deployment. Why could I change a couple of stuff here? Let me think about what we would change. I'm thinking about what we would change. Number of replicas. That's quite difficult too. The vision here is not as expected. Replicas. It's not expected. Okay. Just escape from it. I'm going to wait from here. Not a problem. It was not answering the commands. Okay. Come on. Okay. Alright. Okay, let me just escape. Let me just check one thing here. I'm thinking about what would I change. I'll change from here, edited. No. Replicas 3. Yeah. Okay. That's all I like to do. Let's create another image. The version 2. So let's push it. Let's have an external IP here. Yeah. Just fucking simple application. Sorry for the word. Check Docker PS. Okay, good. I'll expose a pod name. Echo. Check this command. Okay, I'm getting to the namespace default. CG Jenkins, if we check here. It's the pod name, okay. Correct. Cool. And now we're going to forward this port 8080. Alright, that's getting those admin passwords. So now I'm going to change this a file. Let's go in here, source. I want to change the HTML go. The green and orange. If you check this, green, okay, let's run a command. Everything like dash green orange G, okay. Now let's go to the Jenkins file. There is a parts of the project, etc. Project DD you saw. Okay, let's change a couple of things. PD status, Jenkins file. Yeah, of course. We just gonna show you. I changed with the sed project. I had already told before. Now let's configure our user email. Yeah, put this on this current lab. Let's put the username. I'll call it student. Login doesn't have origin. That's what I would like to have. Okay, we expose everything here, and that's what we wanted. Okay, front end server. Okay, that's all for today. So just pretty simple way to deploying a Go application to the containerized applications. And okay, had already a Jenkins stuff. Also you saw that I was getting the, I'm gonna say the admin stuff. I will repeat that part of the admin, but just in case I'm gonna be checking something in Kubernetes. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.